Hi, good day. Today I want to make one tutorial about Facebook ads. Here I'm in my business manager. I'm going to use to check the audience inside. I want to create one ad, green button. To use the ads manager. For example, you can create a new campaign. You can use one existing campaign. When you press here you choose the campaign that you want to use. But this has one benefit, because in that campaign that you had in your account, you had some comment, some like, and the people are sharing your post. For example, I had one campaign that had about 266 like, 29 people sharing my post. I had something like 100 engagement in that post that I made. But we are going to create one new campaign. For example, here you can use for the brand awareness. Here you can use for traffic. When you use traffic, is to make the redirection for one website, for your YouTube channel, for any offer that you have. You place the URL, and that made the redirection from one landing page, and as I said, you can get some leads. Engagement is when you make one post and this made the redirection to your Facebook fan page. Video views is when you make one video and you made a post in Facebook and you want to make the redirection to get some view on your video. Lead generation is when you play one landing page and you get some leads to one offer that you have, and then you can make the email marketing and make the affiliation offer that you have to get some sales. We use conversion. When you have one Shopify store and they have different offer, and you are retargeting the person to your Shopify store, and they are seeing your offer 2 or 3 times, and they buy for you the stock that you have in your Shopify store. The store visited is when you had one physical store and you made the advertising, and you send the person to your place. Well, today we are going to make one traffic campaign. Here we put the name of the campaign. They say that create a sleep test, A/B test. No, we are going to make the optimization of the. Here you can place a daily book that you want. For example, we want to put $150. We want to put the bid cap and continue. here you put the name of your ads. For example, free training. Maybe the website, drive more conversion for their offer. You can create new audience, or you can use the audience that you have. But you see, I had this audience, and you can check this is from the age is 18 to 58, Canada and United States, English, and are people with interest in business opportunity, make money, passive income, work from home, entrepreneurship, business or wealth, estate and at home. Well, I want to create one new audience. Custom audience. So in my custom audience, I'm going to put United States. So the age 18 to 58, gender all, woman and man, and the language English. We want to check some suggestions for the can use entrepreneurship, can use interest in a small business, one more suggestion. Advertises an employer, passive income, social media, marketing, for example, you can exclude some person to try that your audience is being beside or see inside of this green line. For example, I'm going to exclude the person that are traveling, international frequent travelers. I want to exclude this audience. And then I can place and save this audience. Here we're going to use the placement for the ads. Sometimes it's here on automatic placement. I like to put edit placement. So I want my ad be showing in Facebook, in the feeds. So I'm going to select this, the right column. And this is the ads going to look See, this is the feed. Look like this, and then the right column like that. If you want to put your, you have to connect your Instagram account, and you see like going to look in the Instagram. So you can put in the feed and your histories. And to left in the feed. And to select this. That's it. Here you want to schedule your ads. Yes, this is run my ads set continuously, but no, you have to put in here, and you have the start and the end date. We're going to start the 27th, November 27. I'm going to finish the December 4th. You can check here the ad. This is for the landing page view, in case that you are promoting one landing page. This is my bid cut. Sometimes you put less, but sometimes Facebook put the amount that they 0.55. And here in impression is the impression that you're going to receive for 1,000 viewers. And click the link is the cost per click. When you click the cost per click, you see the big cap is $2, but Facebook don't want to charge you the $2. Sometimes it's 0.35, 0.55. But when you put that bid cap, your ad will be seen as the same time that your competition. If you put, for example, 0.50 of the big cap, your ads not will be seen that too many people. You press continue. Here you want to put the ad name, free training, and the identity. Yes, use your Facebook fan page or Instagram account or your Facebook business account. The format, you can use a single image or a single video or slideshow. Some are going to use a single image. Here you want to browse your image. You can use your library. For example, I upload this picture. This is the preview. See how your ad is going to be showing. See, this is the headline, and this is the. You have to use one picture that don't have too much letters, and here you have to change in the URL. You have to put something to identify your campaign. And the button that I put is learn more. You can use different. Shop now in case you had one Shopify store. Contact us, apply now, listen now in case you had some music, subscribe it to my landing page, sign up, all of that. but I put learn more. Then the next step, you want to confirm. Press this green button, that is the confirmation, and then this is your ads manager. Right, I said that my ad is not delivered because it's on review. They're going to send me one email or one message saying me that your ad is ready, or your ad is approved or is not approving. And that's it for today. I only would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, and then in a few days I'm going to make one small tutorial showing to you the different results that I am getting for my campaign. And only want to say have a good day, and thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. God bless you.